Hi everyone, welcome to India Food Recipes 13. Today I am going to make chili chicken. It's a very tasty chicken. Let us see the ingredients. Half a pound of chicken and 2 teaspoons of crushed ginger and garlic, 1 chopped green pepper, capsicum and 1 chopped the cube size chopped onion and 7 dry chilies and 1 teaspoon of corn flour, 1 teaspoon of rice flour and 1.5 teaspoon of black pepper and pinch of sugar and some salt, 1 egg, 1 teaspoon of chili powder, this is optional, and 2 teaspoon of chili garlic sauce and 2 teaspoon of soya sauce and 1 cup of oil. Let us see how to prepare this chili chicken. Take a bowl. In that bowl put our clean chicken, and now I am going to add our corn flour and rice flour and pinch of black pepper. Finally I am going to add egg. Before that I am going to add some salt. Now I am going to add egg. Now added the egg. Now I am going to mix everything together. For this recipe I didn't add Ajinomoto because the Ajinomoto is not good for under 3 years and not good for our health also. That's why I didn't add Ajinomoto. Mix it well. This is very simple way. Today I am going to show you. This is very tasty chicken. This I added rice flour because this rice flour will give the crispiness to our chicken. Yeah, that's enough, and keep it aside for 10 minutes. After that we will fry our chicken. Heat the oil in the pan. Make sure oil is heat. Now I'm going to add our marinated chicken. I marinated for 10 minutes. This is very tasty chicken and easy preparation also. Yeah, when they are get a slightly golden brown color, then we will take it out everything. Can you see this? They are getting a slightly golden color. This is the time. Now I am going to take it out everything. Then we will prepare the gravy part. Heat the oil in the pan. Now I am going to add our chopped onion. Saute it well. Now then I am going to add our crushed ginger and garlic. The ginger and garlic will give nice flavor to our chili chicken. Saute it well until remove the raw smell of ginger and garlic. Again I tell you, do not use Ajinomoto because Ajinomoto is not good for under 3 years kids. Yeah, now I'm going to add our dry chilies and our cube sized diced green pepper. Stir this mixture well until they cook slightly. They are slightly cooked. Now I am going to add our green pepper powder, and then I am going to add half a teaspoon of red chili powder. This is optional. Then I am going to add our sugar, that is 1/4 teaspoon of sugar. The sugar will give little bit tastiness. Instead of Ajinomoto, I am going to use the sugar. Now I am going to add our chili sauce, that is chili and garlic sauce. And I am going to add our soy sauce. That's enough. Sort this mixture well. Can you see this? Now I am going to add pinch of salt. We already add salt to the chicken also, so carefully add the salt. Mix it well like this. Now I am going to add our fried chicken. Mix it well. It's a very simple way and quick way also. Now I am going to add glass of water. Yeah. Stir this mixture well. Allow it to cook for at least 8 to 9 minutes. After that we will see how is our chili chicken. Before turn off the flame, we will add our corn flour sauce. That is 1 teaspoon of corn flour mixed with 4 teaspoon of water. That's why I am making corn flour sauce. Then we will add that sauce. In a slow flame only I am going to cook this. Can you see this? They are cooked well. Now 9 minutes passed. In a slow flame only I cook this one after adding everything. Now I am going to pour 2 teaspoons of corn flour sauce. Because this corn flour sauce will give thickness to our chili chicken. Don't add too much of corn flour sauce. Yeah, mix it well. You can serve this chili chicken with the fried rice and biryani also. You can serve this chili chicken. Yeah, they are cooked well. I am getting the yummy the green pepper smell and sauce smell also. Yeah, this is the time. Now I am going to turn off the flame. Our yummy and tasty simple chili chicken is ready. Try it yourself. Send your valuable comments to www.indiafoodrecipes.in. We will meet next video. Thank you.